very cute fretwork beveled glass coffee table. Very nice Christmas dishes, Roseville pottery, crystal. Everything is in very good condition. It's going to be at our sale in Homewood this weekend from 9 to 1. We look forward to seeing you. There are lots of unique things. If you want a whole set of dishes that's in great condition, this is your opportunity. So come and check out the items at this sale in Homewood. Look at this. This is the Hunt Christmas dishes. And then very nice table and chairs with matching china cabinet and some mid-century Mikasa dishes. So we'll look forward to seeing you 9 to 1 Thursday, Friday, Saturday.